If you're like me who's tired and busy with life lately, here's a virtual modern escape for you. Just sit back, relax, and watch this video as we go to the first ever tiny house in Pampanga.
With this view. Wait, hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the notebook, 'cause I can't.
Hi everyone! Welcome to another adventure. How's life been treating you so far? For this travel diary, we are on a tiny house in Concepcion, Tarlac. I saw this place on Airbnb and I'm so glad I booked. It's worth it, I swear, because you've got your own swimming pool. They're located on a peaceful neighborhood. This house is really beautiful and it looks like it's straight out of Pinterest. And as you can see, they are also pet friendly. When we got here, it smells really good and it's neat. I love going and staying to places like this because it inspires me to dream big and work hard. I'm praying and manifesting that someday I'll have a place as beautiful as this. Anyway, every corner is aesthetic and Instagram worthy, yet functional. You can bring ingredients and cook just like what we did because the kitchen is fully equipped. They have waffle maker as well as coffee nook, which is really great. And ayan, sobrang ganda talaga ng kitchen nila. You've got everything that you need here. Dadalhin nyo na lang yung sarili nyo and of course yung ingredients. Lord, ang ganda! Kailan po ba ako magkakaroon ng ganitong bahay? Hoy! Bathroom tour! It's so cozy and bright. Ang ganda ng interior ng bathroom nila. It's white and gold. Everything that you need is also here. Plus, hindi nananakit yung bidet. Tamang-tama lang yung pressure. Let's go to the bedroom. As you can see, it's really pretty, but it's open. I'm worried kasi it's accident prone. Baka madulas. And ayan, kung may kasama kayong dog, baka malaglag. Just be extra careful, okay? But I swear, they have the comfiest bed. And the whole place is neat AF. It smells really good. It makes me want to sleep all day. Kaso kasi, sayang naman kung tutulugan natin. By the way, we booked this room for 7,760 a night, kaya walang matutulog. Charot! It's hard to resist kasi sobrang lamig sa buong bahay. Dalawa kasi yung aircon nila. Plus, sobrang lambot ng unan and sobrang linis din ng sheets nila. OMG, ang sarap matulog. Gusto kong bumalik para matulog lang. Quick internet speed test muna tayo guys. They have a reliable internet connection kahit nung medyo umulan. Nakapag-work pa rin ako kaya kakayanan nyo rin mag-work from the tiny house.
Makita pa dyan maputol yung daliri.
JC, nagluluto ng paborito kong sinigang.
Kapag wala akong ginagawa, lagi ako nagluluto eh.
Yan lang yung kayang lutuin ni JC, sinigang. Kasi yan palang natuturo ko sa kanya.
Kasi pinakamadali, lagay-lagay lang, tapos inom-inom din.
So annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you?
I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Let's unbox this baby from Beach Hut. Ay, may nananapaw, senyorita.
It's maddening.
Totoo na to, let's unbox this baby. I'm so happy that Beach Hut sent this gift to me because I'm an avid user even before. Although I stopped nung nag-try ako mag-free dive for environmental purposes, that's why I am thrilled when they launch a reef-safe sunscreen. Check out their website kasi palagi silang nagsisale. Protect your skin because skin cancer is real, and don't forget to be reef-responsible. Babe. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another adventure! Hindi ako nakapag intro ng maayos kanina. Pero yeah, yun yung room tour natin or yung house tour natin dito sa tiny house in Concepcion, Tarlac. So right now, it's already 8:20 ng gabi and umulan ng sobrang lakas. Napansin ko yung wifi nila medyo humina but still, it's working. So that's a plus. And right now, punta ako sa labas kasi nandun si JC and si Senyorita. Ano naman ang higa mo? May medyas! Akin na to. Good morning! It's our last day here. Overnight lang naman kami dito. Pero nakakabitin kasi sobrang ganda ng place. And sobrang chill lang. Parang nasa bahay lang din kayo. Pero mas maayos yung itsura, ganun. Ang ganda. Sa Pinterest ko lang nakikita kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng loft type na bahay. And parang nangangarap na rin ako. Charis! Manifesting, magkakaganito din tayong bahay and mas maganda pa.
said I should get more. Smile and nod at all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door. Then cut to you, cross the room.
And then after a few minutes, I finally transferred outside to get some sun. By the way, you should try this refreshing drink from Blue Water. They have 5 flavors to choose from. My favorite is calamansi and lychee. It's filled with vitamin C and B vitamins, perfect to boost your immunity. Nakakatuwa kasi sobrang nag-e-enjoy si Senyorita. Minsan lang kasi siya makasama sa mga staycation kasi not every staycation is pet friendly. So ayan, siya talaga yung pinaka nag-enjoy sa trip na to. That's the end of our stay at the tiny house. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. Stay safe and healthy. See you again on my next adventure. Bye! Mwah!